Yeah, good day, fellow fans of cybersecurity. My name is Abiodun Abbas. Today, I will be exploring the complex world of information technology, security, and data transmission. I will say to better understand the complexity of data transmission, I will be breaking it down into three different states. One is data at rest, two is data in use, and three is data in transmission. Firstly, I would say information that have been stored on a server or devices like the flash drive, the hard drive, or the database are referred to as data at rest. And data in transmission is the movement of data from one device to the other or across network. And data in usage are the data that are actively being accessed or processed by a user or application. Now, I will be talking about different ways in which we can, safeguard our data in order not to give unauthorized access to our data. Firstly, I would say implementing different, safeguards to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data is known as data security. More so, I would say regular backup and access control are essential for data at rest. And for you to stop an unwanted access or alteration to your data, encryption and access control become more crucial when data is being used. And technologies like the HTTPS, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and the VPNs guarantee data security when data are being transmitted across network. In addition to this, I would say depending on the status of your data, there are different security strategies that can be used. Encryption and access control are prioritized for data at rest in order, to safeguard saved information. In addition to this, I would say real-time monitoring and access control become more important for data that are being used in order to stop unwanted access or alteration to our data. Furthermore, I would say secure communication protocol and encryption, guarantee or data security or preventing from tampering with the data when data are being transmitted across network. Lastly, I would say in the constantly changing world of information technology, we can reduce risks and guarantee data security, confidentiality, and availability of our data, by us putting in place a very kind of, security measure that are specific to each state of data. I would say with the little tips I've given on what data security is all about, and several ways in which we can, protect our data from giving an authorized person to have access to our data, I was able to make, a little contribution to what data security is all about. I will say thank you all for listening and thank you all for watching. I still remain Abbas Abiodun. Wish every one of us good luck and best wishes in our journey at GCU. Thank you so much. Bye.